Today I'm going to be taking a look at my mom's headlights. There's some oxidation and yellowing of the lens. These things are pretty old, so here, let me see if I can get on camera here. But yeah, you can see all the swirls and scratches and stuff just from, driving and whatever else. So I'm going to see if I can take care of that today. I've got applicator pad and some Meguiars PlastX. So I just wanted to try it out, see if it works, and see if we can restore this camera here. So let's get to it. So to use it, so it's just to apply a small amount to the applicator pad, dab a little bit on there, and then you just rub it in and small area at a time. Guessing it's kind of just like a little abrasive. It's already looking a lot different. Should have maybe wiped this down before I started this, huh? Wow. Holy crap, that's a huge difference. And if I really wanted to be safe, I could go ahead and like tape off around the area, but since you're applying like a small amount of product, I don't feel like I need to be too careful here. So I'm seeing if I can get these bigger scratches and stuff off. It's looking pretty good. Holy shoes. That's like a night and day difference. It's not perfect by any means, but it's like a lot better than what it was before. It's my first time using this stuff. I'm impressed. I guess really the question is how long is it gonna last, right? It's got a microfiber towel here. Just gonna wipe it off now. And I'm gonna get the rest of the headlight too, don't worry. Whew, that's crazy. Look at it now. It's like a lot clearer looking. If we compare it to, the old one here, and you can't see jack diddly on the video, but there's a lot of yellowing and a lot of swirls and scratches, so it's taking care of most of that, honestly. It's a lot clearer. I guess I'm just gonna finish up and I'll show you guys the shot after. Whew, that's pretty nice. So kind of like, whoa. Would I call this, a permanent solution? No. Pretty easy to apply though, and it's a quick fix. If you wanted something more permanent, you'd probably have to do the sanding process and then spraying some clear coat. If you want something quick and easy, or if you have, a light mounted oxidation going on or swirling, this would definitely fix it. I think some of the, more deeper groove stuff that gets, the headlights like, I think some of the more deeper grooves are having a little hard time to get out. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some of that, fading or swirling, I don't know what you call it, and there's also stuff that's gonna be on the inside of the lens that might happen that you can't get out. This is pretty good. So yeah, thanks for watching my video on using PlastX and headlight restoration. I hope you enjoyed.